Hey guys, again. Long time no see, yeah. Okay guys, how are you? How is your morning? I hope you didn't make stupid mistakes. Just tell me you didn't make stupid mistakes today. um yeah. It's kind of guys, how is the camera? It stays okay? It should, right? So if you didn't receive email yesterday, you're going to get this today, right? Okay guys. You made stupid mistakes already? Oh, come on. Tomorrow I will do 20 My Funded Futures accounts giveaway. Only for my subscribers, so you missed me. I mean, you just saw me like 5 minutes ago. Okay, at least I can trade right here. Okay, guys, I took already one trade. I discussed this on My Funded Futures TV. Oh, that was a trade, so it's not like. Okay, so what was trade before market open? Explained before, like on stream, why I took this trade. Took some trades on gold today. This trade. Oh, it went even lower. That's all I took today. Let's see if we get something else. It's not about volume profile, but it's about volume. got all my mistakes, stupid mistakes. Yesterday, wasn't that bad. Just disappointed we did not get did not get entry. Okay, guys. Okay, tell me what you're thinking about the market right now. I'm thinking we may get a retracement, but I kind of would like to see still higher. What do you think about this? I still think we can go higher. Let me. I wasn't prepared for Steam on YouTube today. Give me 1 second. I need to set everything right now. Professional outfit? It's not really professional, by the way. It's just like I can go outside with my kids in this outfit. Yeah, by the way, what we see so far, a bit choppy, right? So pretty much we got expansion, consolidation, another expansion. On SPX, I don't really mind to see slightly higher. So basically bottom of RTH gap. And if we get this, look for potential retracement, probably try to short something. You know, I did not read the chat today on My Funded Futures TV. Lots of hate there. Yes, I didn't see like all comments because it was lots of comments there. Does stop working? As you can see, my is working right now. No haters? Oh, that's strange. Maybe I was talking a bit too fast. I don't know why. Maybe when I'm nervous, I speak faster than usual. I don't know. Like, I don't know. So let's see what will happen. I feel like I was speaking a bit fast, but okay. At least I said what I wanted to say. But yeah, guys. So far, what we see, we took buy side liquidity, right? First standard deviation remains higher. Great. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you, guys. We got SMT right now, but I feel like we need to go higher still. Let's see if we get any setup right now because still bullish. Nothing invalidates bullishness yet. Okay, we need to probably invert fair value gap, right here, or offer order block. What we have on 1 hour chart? I believe we have sweep, right? Potential sweep. We will confirm this in 17 minutes. Well, yes, this equal highs. I mean, we need to take them. I would say the question is, if today, maybe not today, right? Okay. What we see so far, we have once again SMT between ES and NQ right here. Price trying to retrace. The question, how far we can retrace right now. So let me see. If I want to measure from this low to this high to find OTM. So what is okay, let's try to add volume because I discovered something interesting yesterday. Volume pretty much flat right now. Thank you so much. I will be happy to join again. Thank you. So far it's still in premium. What else can I see so far? Oh, we got some sort of breaker block, but still breaker block in premium, right? Do we have some? Looks like we have SMT, right? Yeah, we do have SMT right now. Minor, but still SMT. So let's see what can happen at this point. What I discovered about volume, I'm going to share it right now. Once I see example, I would like to show like real example. Don't want to show in hindsight, okay? Let's wait for example. It's not secret, but that's interesting observation. You know, I entered long on my personal account before market close yesterday, and I used actually volume to confirm this. Just would like to show you a real example. That's why I don't want to talk about this. But I will talk about this if no real example will be presented. I will show you then. But you will like this, I promise. So nothing to hide. I will share what I learned yesterday. Because I feel like we need to backtest this together. So we will see how it works. I done like 50 trades, not a lot. But I believe we need to backtest this together. So you will help me at least with this, right? Okay, we have SMT on both sides between ES and Q, right? And if it wants to support this SMT, what we want to do, only long from order block right here. So it just needs to use classic volume. Like buy volume increases, what we want to do, price going higher. Sell volume increases, like lots of sellers came in, they want to see lower. Like it's just classic, you know, understanding. I will show you example, just waiting for this. A bit choppy right now, holding this SMT, right? I would say if it wants to hold this SMT respecting stupid premium breaker block right here, maybe we need to close above this level to offer order block to pump us higher. Right? Agree with me? What we have? What else do we have? What else do we have? Oh, we have small fair value gap right here. See this? Yes, 1 hour fair value gap. Can we go there? I hope so. Hope so. I know it's dark red, but it's going to be key level for us. So our task right now is to observe how we can respect this SMT. If this SMT today wants to be bullish because ES also left for standard deviation, I would say I don't really mind to see the closure above sequence of done close candles to push us higher. I mean, you know, where is the problem? If you do not take any trades before market open, probably. So yeah, guys, Epic's running 90% off right now. I already got some more accounts to have them as reserve. You can get this as well because interesting offer. I personally decided to get them, so. So see, it's trying to break above this high right here. So if you won yesterday but did not receive email, you will receive this today. Don't worry. It's normal, yes. I'm just slow. Now, only trades I took, it was short on NQ and short on gold. That's it. At 10, oh my god, why you traded that news? Oh, you want to tell me you decided to enter this week? Oh my god, why? Why? What was the reason behind this trade? Yeah, I traded gold today and yesterday. Only issue for me was, yeah, I saw kind of SMT and this move down, but kind of strange to see that silver and gold right now are not in sync, which is kind of crazy, right? Never seen that before. Like, I saw silver just going higher for some reason. Gold decided to just drop hard. I mean, yeah, I was trying to use SMT at this point. Oh, 5.3%. That's crazy. It was annoying because it was kind of hard to find good confirmation. Unfortunately, Epix does have activation fee. So, but account is going to cost $16. As you can see, price still did not offer. That's a good for us. Price did not offer order block right here. This means we still have a chance to continue retracing back to OT. Let's see what we have to enter. If we want to enter, of course. A bit issue right now is failure to provide for inversion right here. Yeah, 50k accounts cost $16 plus $130 activation fee. Yeah, painful, but it is what it is. So dropping right now, trying to offer a good drop right here. Kind of happy with this. So as you can see, volume going higher right now. It's a good sign for us. So at this point, I would like to highlight fair value gap if it wants to form. So far, it's going to be right here. Oh my god, so ugly fair value gap. So it can be bearish sign for us. So as you can see, volume going higher right now. And what we want to do, we want, like right now, it's example, we got spike. We want to see the closure below this low right here. So validate continuation lower. So at this point, it can look like this. We will see. So not extremely confident yet. We got big fair value gap right here. So let's see if we may get the closure. Because we got one expansion to expansion, right? So basically we got to expansion. So overall, yes, I'm bullish. So I can anticipate retracement right now. So we can trade this retracement. And I would say absolutely nothing wrong with this. So waiting for the closure right here. So no trades yet. Still nothing I like. So basically, if I want to wait for the closure, may actually validate this trade with stop loss above this fair value gap. I can give it a try once we can get validation. Otherwise, no trades. You got my idea. Let's see what we can get. I saw the guy explain this on YouTube. Actually, I can try to find the link and you can watch this if you want, guys. Still trying to hold this as a breakaway gap. Let me set my contracts for today. We got the retracement of this mitigation block right here. Right. Yes, I will share then. Let's focus. You can remind me by the end of stream, okay? Doesn't want to close yet. Lots of games right now. So I guess today we are going to be in scalper mode. That's all we have so far. Also, I believe we need to wait for how many minutes left? 5 minutes left until new 30-minute candle. Giveaway is going to be tomorrow, guys. I'm going to do 20 accounts tomorrow. 20 my funded futures accounts tomorrow. So still nothing I like. So nothing validates idea to short. Sitting on my hands, just for now. The question if may close. 5.9? That's crazy. Okay, let's bring this back. Well, we don't have any setups yet. Yeah. No. If it wants to close below this low, I would like to see long. Short. Just hard to pick the target right now. That's the issue. But I believe something like this. Oops, where is my... Once we can get the closure below this low, probably something like this. I just think like it's time for retracement, but retracement not confirmed yet, so I cannot look for short yet. But what wants to validate, if we invert this breakaway gap, it's going to be bullish sign. So at this point, no shorts at all, no retracement probably at all. So right now, don't want so long, but don't mind to see lower if it wants to close below this low. That's the plan right now. Let's see how it's going to go. No, I'm going to stream tomorrow right here. It just was like one time stream. Maybe next week, but not this week anymore. Patiently waiting. to do something. Lots of games right now. It is what it is so far. They blocked you? Why? You mean yeah, sometimes you need to like filter your language because it can hurt someone. So, oh, thank you so much. Oh, you almost passed this. Congratulations. Did it hurt? Maybe yes. So we don't know. We got the closure right now. 40-point stop loss at this point. I think if I should try this. At least happy I already done some trades today. So watching if I should try this. What about? Oh, yes, also offers a closure. Yeah. For long, I would like to see some sort of obvious P theory for this. Can't see any yet. So with any change in the state of delivery based on models that we discovered yesterday, considering ICT, we should short right now. No, not short yet. I'm just surprised I don't see displacement. I will show you once I'm in, don't worry. Once I'm in, guys, I'm going to show you nothing to hide. Because market is still bullish. It's like if it wants to drop, I just like scalp it just against the trend, I believe. Yeah, I'm bullish today as well. So no, I'm not. I don't want to short honestly because I would like to see higher. Why? Because yes, left some key levels higher. But what I can anticipate if it just wants to drop, it's going to be retracement to discount OT. That's it. We got some sort of equal lows if I want to consider bodies, right? So that's what I like so far. I love it. But you got my point, right? Trump enough. We are not ready to this. Did not finish its job, so should continue dropping. Will drop again. But here's a volume example, like how it works, right, in real time. I like it. So No trades, guys. I'm just watching right now. Patiently watching. Yeah. Trump enough. You're not ready to, to this price action. So right now inside OT, price still doesn't want to close below fair value gap. Still trying to support this. Yeah, kind of manipulated right now, but I believe we need to go to this liquidity level, right? Still doesn't want to close right here. Still inside this fair value gap. I feel like we need to take this weeks right here, basically bodies, which we can say like equal lows, right? If we want to consider bodies. Yeah, imagine like to be in this trade and like within second you see like, oh, it's about to hit my my TP right now. But nope, let's take a loss. My favorite when Trump speaking, I love this kind of days when we have like 200 point stop loss. My favorite days. Okay, guys, what is going to happen next? Because we got desired retracement. Yeah, crazy, right? I do need lower, honestly. I mean, I don't mind to see this weeks right here, but I did not expect lower. All I need, all I need to see is just retracement for continuation higher. Let's see if we get some sort of long setup right now because I don't really need to lower right just right now. I mean, this week's is just my maximum. A bit choppy right now, but we are not going to give up. Let's see what we'll see right here. Lots of spikes right here in volume, but oh, by the way. First presented, by the way, where is first presented fair value gap? We forgot to highlight this. Do we have any? Oh, basically today we expected this first presented fair value to pop us higher, but pretty much ugly consolidation so far. I still would like to see higher, guys. I don't know about you, but I feel like we need to pump. How big stop? Not small stop loss, unfortunately, but we can reduce size. That's pretty much it. We got order block. You know, the issue, how far you want to see it going lower. That's issue, because I only anticipate to get, like, with this week down, I anticipate to get move right here. It was kind of close. Now the question, like, it was order block. So I expect to get, like, rejection block. Should I see this? Should I expect this lower? Like, not really, right? I know, just 1 hour chart, a bit tricky, but kind of bullish, feels bullish still. You decided to give up early? Okay. I'm still bullish. I kind of would like to see higher. I'm just not sure about entry point, honestly. From what level I want to enter the trade. I know yet. But order block presented on both yes and NQ, so I really don't mind to see higher, but the question, what I want to use for this entry. Because from what I see so far, SPX needs to pump higher still. Another, how many points? Like 30 points, solid 30 points higher. I only took 2 trades pre-market, that's it. I did not take any trades after market open. I don't know. I feel like last couple of weeks, best setups before market open, unfortunately. See, guys, we don't have any order block on 5-minute chart yet. Because if it wants to retrace, I don't really care, because I would like to see still higher. Huge gaps, yeah. Okay, let's build the plan right now. What kind of plan we want to build? I believe we want to build the plan if we may continue holding this inversion, these 2 inversions. Let's look for long then. Because right now we just retrace to this inversion to aim for new high of the day. But once again, let's see. Because it can be reclaimed. Yes, 5-minute order block at least can, if it wants to trap, I would wait for 5-minute bearish OB. Did you enjoy my fund? Yeah, I was a bit nervous because I never was invited to any show. It was, I'm okay to talk with you guys. Like, I'm okay. Like, I feel like okay. Like, I am talking with my friends, right? Like, I don't know how to explain this, but I'm like okay with you guys. Nothing to shine, nothing to hide. Like, it's okay to talk with you. But for some people, for some reason, I felt like strange there. When I feel comfortable right here, I just need to use to do this. Yeah, you know, like, need to use to do this. It was new experience to me, at least. Right? Good experience. I love this. Yeah, I saw lots of people who hate ICT there, but for no reason, still believe like no reason why people hate ICT. Like, I never understood this. What's the point behind this? ICT is exactly the same strategy. For example, it's strategy like trend line breaks, volume profile, I don't know, like EMAs. It's just strategy. It may work for you, it may not work for you. That's it. But people still keep hating this. I mean, like, why? But we trade his concept. Why people so cared about ICT himself? We trade his concept, which works. What's the point of hating? I don't understand this. Maybe that's me. It's not complicated. I mean, everything in trading, like nothing guaranteed. Once again, nothing works 100% of the time. And I just want to say, guys, you will take classes no matter if it's like ICT, trendline breaks, volume profile, just volume. Like, I don't care what kind of strategy it is. You will take loss anyway. You cannot prevent these losses, right? And like, yeah, sometimes we are going to take money from market. Sometimes the market is going to take rent from us. So our task is just to understand how pay this rent properly, right? It's all about risk management. But people will hate everything that moves. So nature of people, nature of haters. So yeah, like I feel sorry for those people. I mean, risk management, when I would say first recommendation, like lots of people don't want to share this, like, but I guess it's a key concept. If you just started trading, all like first things that you need to do, first step is just learn what is risk management is, right? What is risk management? How to understand this, how it works. Because no matter what kind of strategy you trade, you need to understand risk management. That's it. Because trading overall is all about risk management. It's like huge part of this, like 99% of this, right? And it doesn't matter what kind of strategy you trade. Because, guys, when you enter the trade, you're ready to lose. And I want to say the question is if this loss is going to be harmless or it's going to hurt, right? If it's going to be harmless, you're a winner. If imagine if it was loss, but if it's like was harmless, you're good. It's just part of the game. Today you paid the rent to market. That's it. Volume, yeah, I will explain this. Still feel like it's bullish. The question is crazy long on silver. Yes, it's annoying because it's so out to sync with gold. Um, I used to use this as SMT, but they said not today. Let's be out to sync, just straight into different directions. Like, why not? Simple. Still playing games. I hate this consolidation. Zero desire right now to press any buttons, but we will wait because sometimes it's going to be lunch move. I'm just going to sit a bit longer today. Trump is speaking right now, right? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hello everyone who just joined. It goes up. Right now it's just pretty much consolidation. So I don't really like anything. I mean, all I can anticipate, yes, this week's taken. But that's pretty much it. Let's see. I'm just going to stay away a little bit for a little bit. But maybe setup will appear before 12. Like 11:50 macro, you know? He's done. Okay, let's see what will happen next. See this ugly wicks, absolutely ugly wicks right here. Oh my god, oh my god, what else do we have? Let's consider potential sweep right here. Oh, yeah, it's perfect to have sweep. The issue is we don't have order block, proper order block yet. Still trying to hold 2-minute inversion fair value gap, but I like this 20-minute sweeps by side liquidity sweep. Oh, my real name is Dasha. Just Dasha. By the way, kind of small range, right? Oops. Like 70 points away from this high to this low right here. Trying to be patient right now because I don't like anything so far. I'm not going to lie, all I anticipate to get is just this dotted line taken. So basically the rejection block taken. Absolutely ugly market maker sell model on lower time frame. I mean second stage right here. I mean, I took trades before market open, so I was bullish yesterday, but honestly, like last couple of weeks, best price action happens before market open. A bit annoying. But what platform do we want to recommend? It's up to you. So personally, I trade with Rhythmic, but if you're going to execute on Ninja Trader using Replikanto as copier, you only can connect one Rhythmic connection for one Ninja Trader. So I had experience with TraderWeight and 20 accounts. It wasn't for me because I got lots of issue, and TraderWeight also has rate limit. If you like scalper, trading ICT or like different strategies and want to have 20 accounts, I don't recommend to have TraderWeight because of rate limit. Price, like you need to read about this on Google. TraderWeight has a straight limit. Not for me. So I switch back to Rhythmic accounts. And any other platform that I have is TraderWeight because I don't need to have 20 accounts with them. So if you just want to try one account, you can try TraderWeight, no issue with this. But if you want to scale to 20 in the future, maybe makes sense to try Rhythmic connection. My personal recommendation. Just try. Personally trade with Rhythmic. Only Apex with Rhythmic. Any other platforms, TraderWeight. See how it respected my dotted line, basically rejection block so far? Yeah, try. Let's see if it works for you. For example, I also love to trade take profit trader, just my personal recommendation because it works for me. I tested this, it works for me. Take profit trader, I got 150K accounts. I have 3 accounts with them. They don't have activation fee. It sounded interesting when I was trying to get them. And I do love their daily payouts. So I would say if I want to rate my top prop firms, it's going to be Epix, Take Profit Trader, My Funded Futures, like top 3, in my humble opinion. Then Tradify, then TopStep. That's it. Oh, dropping heart right now. Trump, enough speaking. We are too young to experience this stress all the time. You didn't miss giveaway. Yeah, it made me swell, so I believe it last time it took 2 days. I believe so. Yeah. So drop more than I expected. Okay. Oh, by the way, this is trade that I took. I'm going to explain later. Yeah, see, I mean, like, huge weeks. Like, he wants to say something, like, say, hello, let's drop 200 points for 1 second. Like, why not? Only 128 points in 1 minute candle. Easy. I love 100 point stop loss trade. My favorite type of trades. Everything I like. Okay, drop more than expected. I only expected right here. But so here's a perfect example when we got expansion, breakaway gap right here. Well, still going to see it right here. Because if IM session was choppy, normally lunch starts, okay. Let's see what will happen next. Just going to sit longer today. What happened right now? We got sweep with the tracing back to this 1 hour order block, right? Lots of drawings right here. I don't want to say it's crazy, honestly. It's not that bad. I remember that day, it was maybe like 3 weeks ago when price action moved like 300 points up, then 500 points down within like 15 minutes. And it was like classic picture. Like, love to have 500 point stop loss. But right now, it's not that bad, honestly. Yeah, drop a bit more than I expected, but it's okay, I guess. So we inside 1 hour order block right now. Yes, left this worst deviation. Maybe for reason, maybe no. Oh, that's 5-minute chart. Okay, we got 5-minute order block reason both yes and Q. Remember what I said on stream today? If price wants to close below swing low right here, we should drop to New York midnight open. Let's see if we can get this. Need to find good entry at this point. High quality entry. Just interesting what Trump is going to say to pump or drop the market again. I mean, I don't really need to take trades right now. Just interested. I'm like interested right now, interested in price action right now. That's why I want to see it right here. Like, I don't really need to take trade. Just want to observe price action because I really like this so far. What can happen? So it created order block right here on 3-minute chart. I did it for the retracement. Maybe I would like to see the retracement back to 3-minute order block. And also it lands as this 2-minute inversion, which is reclaimed fair value gap right now, lands up this 5-minute breaker block. So maybe I don't mind to see that. Yeah, of course. So I highlighted order block right here. You know, initially I built the plan that I want to look for a long once price. Actually, I can share my pre-market plan. Where's my TradeZella? Where's my TradeZella? Would like to show you what I planned today for my pre-market. Reports, I don't need reports. Let me take screenshot. I said screenshot, let's go. Just want to read this for you guys because I would like to show you what I anticipate to get this morning. So this plan was built at 8:26 a.m. So I really want to see, like I said, like we're inside market, second stage of market maker buy model. And I'm watching in Q to hold 15-minute bullish fair value gap to go higher to this first standard deviation right here. This level will be my conservative target. I'm also keep my eyes on equal highs. Like, it's okay, the plan. But even Q inverse 15-minute fair value gap, I'm going to show you this one. I will look for lower to New York midnight open and New Day opening gap. But still will be have bullish outlook. Will have. I need to delete B. Will have bullish outlook for the day. So my plan right now still remains the same. And right now we're already 4 a.m. So based on my pre-market plan, I really want, like, we pump a lot. My plan is to see inversion right here. But once again, I wrote this at 8 a.m. It was right here. I want to see, like, we inverted this for a while, I get drop hard. Like, right here. It was the plan. But right now we pumped a lot. So the question is, how far we need to go at this point. If we want to reverse, for example, New Week opening gap, New York midnight open, I said I'm going to have bullish outlook, but the issue is my bullish outlook was to this target. So still inside this beta show B. I would say as long as Trump speaking, probably it's going to continue dropping with no retracements at all, unfortunately. So it changed right now. So yeah. I took only 2 trades this morning, but it was before market open. It was a gold short and Q short. I took this trade. Anyway, not going to live right here from right here where we discussed the closure. It wasn't that bad. I had to try this anyway. Who cares? Did we broke below 1 hour order block already? Yes, I can delete this for now. Solo done close candle right here. Let's see if it's going to oversweep. Yeah, I mean, I like this. No complaints about new day opening gap. Please offer ICT OT for us. So basically, right now, I anticipate to get priced at ideally. So I'm not going to guarantee this, but I would like to see this one. Need to try to find projections, good projections for this drop. This one, this like right here. $2,900. It's okay. So take it slow. You don't need to rush. You know, IM session was consolidation. That's why I anticipate to get trade after 11. That's why I'm still here, guys. Let's see. Let's try to be patient right now. Just all I ask is deeper retracement up to 10-minute order block. If not that deep, at least to this fair value gap right here. No SMT yet, nothing yet. SPX left this huge gap right here, but once again, I anticipate to get slightly higher before drop. On SPX on 1 hour chart, I don't really watch YM. Again, volatility came in. I like it. Kind of hard for me to be bearish just right now. But drop was nice right here. You know, Trump need to say like at least something to pump like 500 points on NQ. Remember the day when we pumped like 1,000 points within 5 minutes? It was an issue. Like at all. Oh, I'm going to trade micros if I'm going to find setup. I'm not that brave enough to trade with minions. I don't want to blow accounts. But still, Trump needs to mention at least this. Right? Oh, you do need to rest to pass the challenge as well. So you can take your time trading 5-6 micros. But if you want to like, if you're confident with your entry, you can try to trade one mini. Just you need to keep in mind like pretty much volatile price action right now. Made so much that day. Like, yeah, it was 1,000 points, guys. I remember the day when I was like, who is going to replay my roof right now in my house? Like, so it was crazy, right? Oh, I was basketball coach for kids. It's interesting, right? I had like 5 kids. It was some kids was 3 years old, some kids was 5, some kids was 4, some kids was 6. Um, yeah, sounds interesting, right? But it was good experience for kids. Oh, Apex running 90% right now, so you can get 90%, and your 100K account is going to cost you like $29 only. You like to laugh? I don't know, like I'm always like this. Come on. You can use any code you like. I mean, if you like my code, you can use my code. Yeah, you need to pay activation fee, and it's going to be 130 activation fee. But if you want to like delay pay activation fee, you can just sign contract and continue paying your evaluation fee. That's it. Oh, you use my code. Thank you so much. Appreciate this. First, I'm not going to lie what I anticipate to get right now. I would like to see the retracement right here. So this gray box is reclaimed 2-minute fair value gap, as well as 5-minute breaker block, and this blue line 3-minute order block. So if I could send the market higher, I would send somewhere right here. Mistake profit traders, they don't have activation fee. Well, you need to pay like price for evaluation. That's it, with 30% off right now. It depends about platform. Personally, I can recommend Rhythmic connection because I trade 20 accounts. I had issue before with TradeAway because of rate limit. I already said that. Giveaway is going to be tomorrow. If you're going to scale your account for 20 accounts in the future, I don't recommend to use TradeAway. From my experience, I can be wrong. You can try. I recommend use Rhythmic. But if you're going to use Rhythmic, and traders on NinjaTrader, for example, you're not going to have access to another Rhythmic accounts. So if you have just one machine, for example, for NinjaTrader, right, you can activate only one Rhythmic connection for one prop firm. If you will be interested in get like Rhythmic with any other prop firm, you will not be able to trade them at the same time. Months not best, but I'm happy at least I'm green. Yeah, unfortunately, NinjaTrader doesn't have app on MacBook, but you can use how is it called, like parallel, something like this. I don't remember how to call this because I got laptop specifically to trade NinjaTrader. Because I have MacBook, I got Samsung laptop to trade. Yeah, parallels. Okay. It was crazy, right? Oh, I might see this. But with TradeAway, they have yeah, you can trade and TradeAway then, but I had bad experience with this. It's just me, probably. Did not even retrace to 1 and 1.5 so far. Do we have 50-minute inversion already? Yeah, we do have this. Let's see what will happen next. So I have copier, so it calls Replikanto, but I trade this on NinjaTrader. So I can connect only one rhythmic connection and as many as you want, as I want TradeAway connection. So I downloaded the app. I believe you need to download this. It's free to download though. You can try. So yeah, it created order block right here. No, not a trade. I just drew this to see. No, I mean, if it wants to retrace, I may actually try. To order block right here. Would like to try this if I made a trace. I like feel nothing right now. Pretty heavy, yeah, unfortunately. Like no retracement today at all. Just straight moves. Annoying, but it is what it is. Only what annoying today is no retracements at all. Maybe I'm asking too much, so maybe it doesn't need to have retracement. I'm just asking a lot. Also possible. 'I see volatility again. Trap said something. Now it's just going to be free fall, right? 758. $15 order block entry. So once you pass activation fee, you need to sign the contract. So then you can continue paying monthly fee for evaluation or just pay activation fee to have funded accounts. So Apex running 90% off only for 2 days. Tomorrow I'm going to give away 20 my funded futures accounts, 50K starter plan accounts tomorrow. And on Friday I'm going to give away Apex accounts as well. 10 accounts for giveaway on Friday. So it's going to be week of giveaways. So no giveaway today because I wasn't show today, but tomorrow is going to be huge giveaway. 20 accounts. My funded futures accounts. So beauty of this, once you pass your, let's imagine you won this giveaway. Once you pass, you don't need to pay activation fee with my funded futures. Oh, no courses. No, don't even ask me about this. And on Friday, I will give away 10 Apex accounts, evaluations. On Friday, Apex. So it's going to be interesting week. Not bad day. So I took 2 trades today. Happy with this. So if my retrace, I'm going to probably done for now. But if it wants to retrace right here, I might still, I'm not sure yet if it wants to retrace or just drop first and retrace, which I will probably lose interest in shorting again because it's going to be already a target hit. People crashed website, Apex website. Crazy. Let me check. Oh, mine is working, but that's crazy. So any other questions, guys? Pretty much on the ICT. So I still anticipate guys to see lower. Right now, makes runs in versus 15-minute fair value gap, old fair value gap should drop hard, like hard. Just don't know how much time it's going to take. Guys, any other questions? So once again, tomorrow I'm going to give away 20 my funded futures accounts. On Friday, I'm going to give away 10 Apex accounts. Apex is running 90% sale until tomorrow night. About volume, yeah. I guess I will share the video first. You will watch and then we will talk about this. I will share on Twitter, guys. So everyone can see this. We'll send the link there. So I'm finishing this day with 2 winners before market open. I will look for possibly another move, short, probably depends what it will offer. Maybe PM session. I just don't know yet. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow, once again, giveaway of my funded teachers accounts. I'm going to explain this, but I believe you need to watch video first. How to stop blown accounts. You know, sometimes best advice, don't trade shit, please. If you don't see setup but want to chase something, don't do this. Just trust me. Just trust me. Okay, last thing about volume. So yesterday, my friend recommended me a video. So he said like, Dasha, you need to watch this. So subscribe to this guy, guys, on Twitter. So that's my like trading partner. So he said, Dasha, you need to watch this. He said like, I found like, how he said like, I found like 100% win rate strategy for you. And I was like, sounds interesting. What did you find? And he said, like, you need to add volume. I was like, okay, I'm going to add volume. Then he said, like, you must watch the videos that I'm going to send right now. I just want to share you guys because that's amazing video. History, and I watched this yesterday like 2 times. Oh, right here. And he said, like, Dasha, you need to watch this video, guys. And when I watched this video, I was like, haha, interesting. So, because yesterday I took long before market open using ICT and this volume strategy, and today my morning trade was also based on this. But idea is, guys, we also discuss this in real time. Let's discuss this because we want to take this short before. Let's take a look example. So idea is, that's interesting, guys, listen careful. Idea is to look for spikes in volume. What do you mean by spikes? Like we have like pretty much similar volume, but when you see spike, something is going on right now, right? Right here, right here, right here, but like pretty much flat right here, right here, right here, right here. Okay, what next? So we want to look for spike in volume. Can you see the spike? Like if you want to compare price action right here, pretty much spike, right? Right? Can you see this spike? Just maybe it's going to look like, maybe it's looking like exactly the same. Oh, dark is sell volume, green is buy volume. Okay, we got spike right here. Like obviously it's visible, right? Like right here. Okay, this candle is right here. So this candle right here offered the spike in sell volume. Okay, this means like we want to look for potential move lower, but we cannot say for sure right now if I want to use simply this idea with volume, if I want to just short just at this specific second. Not really. But once I see the spike and it confirmed by, for example, entry based on ICT concept, it confirmed by high from context, right? So what we want to do? Once you got like all these confirmations, we want to wait for this candle. It's very important, the candle. So the candle that offered the spike right here, we want to wait for the closure below this candle. Closure, and once again closure. Absolutely don't care about sweep. So once you can get the closure at this point below, that's very important right now, guys, below. Don't tell me I didn't say this before. Like closure, and once again, closure. So once you can get the closure confirmed by any other like confirmations based on high time frame level and something like this. So what we want to do? Right now we have the closure. So idea is right now what we have. We got expansion. Expansion, remember what I shared on Twitter? It can be potential breakaway gap. So, and I said we can try to short with stop loss above this fair value gap. And what we can do? Our original idea was like this, right? Like first potential trade. Another potential trade could be, for example, to choose standard deviation. So idea is to enter, ideally, at the retest of this candle once we got sweep. So for example, I can enter immediately at the open of next candle, which is fine, nothing wrong with this. Or I can wait for the test of this candle right here. Place my order with stop loss exactly where your stop loss like must be at obvious point where your entry is where your trade is going to be invalidated. So for example, right now I can enter the trade right now, or I can wait for the test. For example, right now we tested. Yeah, I can enter, for example, right here to aim for 2 standard deviation. You got the point, right? And for example, sit in this trade. Okay, what next can we see right here? Another spike, right? Like right here. So this candle is candle right here with big wicks, right? Let me delete this for now. You got the point with short. So what we want to see at this point? If we are going to close above this candle that offers spike in sell volume, what we want to do? Probably long because we got invalidation. But if price is going to close below this level, I may look for short. So at this point, I can look for short, waiting for the test right here, or I can just open the trade right here, put my stop loss at the obvious point and aim for 2 standard deviation as we wanted before. Makes sense? Like we got the test, for example, I can place the trade right now and I can aim for 2 standard deviations. That's it. So it's that what means right now. So right here, I want to be careful because from this range, actually, I can anticipate potential reaction. So what I see so far, we got another sell volume, but price already inside this range. I just want to be careful with this. Okay. See, I cannot place any trades right now. Why? Because we're still inside this candle range that offered this spike right here, and right here. If I want to long, to invalidate, like we want to call this like trap sellers. I'm sorry, I don't speak like ICT language right now. I'm so sorry. Just accept this for now. But if it's going to be like trap sellers, I'm so sorry. Once again, we may look for long once price is going to close above this level. But I can look for potential short if we may close below this level, for example, to drop lower. For example, we got 15-minute fair value gap. Let's see. I don't remember already. Yeah, I can actually like enter right now to put my stop loss somewhere at the obvious place. I don't remember like what happened, but I can enter right now because we got retest. It's going to be probably scalp. Sometimes it's hard to say about stop loss, but I would say maybe swing high makes sense. So this means I don't remember what happened already. So I want to enter right here. Maybe something like this. Did it fail? I don't remember already. Yeah, you know, like maybe something like this, right? Guys, did you get an idea with this spike in volume? I hope it makes sense. Not really like breaker block, but God, it's so hard to find another name for this. So it's like, you know, when like volume and model or setup based on ICT, for example, ICT, we all trade ICT right here, lines up, it's like solid signal, for example, for to trade us. Oh, it just like go to indicator, type volume, it's going to be just right here. Or you can go right here and find volume right here. Where's my volume? Just type volume, it's going to be easier. Like volume and only one volume right here. That's it. Our settings, I did not change anything, just color. I just changed the color. And yeah, it's once again nothing wrong with using ICT concept and add something like volume or any other like maybe detail stuff. No one is going to kill you for this. You can. If it's going to work for you, use this. If someone is going to hate you for this, them. Okay? Yes, basically closure, but I highly recommend align this with any other concept. For example, confirmation. I use ICT concept. Maybe it will offer order block. Maybe it offered like spike in volume. Maybe it offered the closure. I can actually try. What do you think about this? Got it? Guys, it needs to like backtest more because I only like find out about this yesterday. Some people yes use volume profile and not going to hate for this because if it works for them, use this. Ah, I just, you know, I don't want to like teach something because I just find out about this. I need to backtest this more and then I will share like more information about this. But yes, interesting like coincidence, interesting like confirmation. And you can actually, it's on 1 minute chart, but I believe it's going to work on every single time frame. I did not backtest on 5 minute chart, but what we have. Not really spikes right here, right? I mean, like spike, but not that significant. Nothing interesting. Like 1 minute chart is best for you. So I hope I was helpful for you to explain this. Kind of crazy. So I happy I was done before market open. Honestly, I hit my base hit, made even more than expected. But right now, just If I want to really enter, I will look for like for high probability entry. For sell, that's forex pair, right? And what target you want to aim for? What is going on right here? Well, what you would like to aim for? I mean, what is your idea about this? Why you ask me about this? Which should you choose? This one? From what level you would like to short? Probably I don't want to chase right now anymore. Oh, I cannot give you financial advice, unfortunately, so. It's definitely market maker sell model from what I see. Your task is to find entry for second stage of redistribution, if it makes sense. So basically, from what I see so far, pretty much the straight move down with lots of imbalances right here. So I would say I don't really mind to see minor retracement up to balance at least one fair value gap. The test of inversion probably right here to continue dropping lower because we got measuring gap right here. So if it may continue lower, I would aim for this fair value gap. So that's measuring. It's not. No, it's measuring gap. Yeah. So I would aim for a level right here if it was your question. I have lots of videos on my YouTube channel already. Like I covered market maker model, standard deviation. I guess I covered everything. But my throw is going to be lower. Also, we have flat candle right here, which is equal lows. So yeah, I'm still interested in move lower on this forex instrument. The question if it wants to retrace to drop or just going to be straight move down right here. That's the question. Your task is to find entry right here. Guys, any other questions? You know, today was tricky. So the only issue was we reached all levels before market open. And at this point, it was like, what I would like to aim for, like once market opens. That was the question. I'm going to do giveaway tomorrow, guys. So I will start streaming like normally at 9:15 a.m. and we'll do giveaway at 10. I will start giveaway at 10 and I will announce winners at 11. So tomorrow I'm going to give away 20 my funded futures accounts. Quick reminder, Epic's running sale right now until tomorrow, and on Epic on Friday I'm going to give away Epic's accounts as well. Why wait? So that's it, guys. How to backtest? You know, like exactly what we did right now. So you can use just the play mode. Exactly what we did before. Like we just want to where we discuss this. Like right here. So I see this price action. My steps right now is what step? I see, like, for example, this is this. I would like to short based on this is this. I would like to long based on this is this. So exactly same. So nothing, no difference. So you want to short if it's going to close, for example. I want to long if it's going to close above this level. That's it. It just imagine it's like real time price action. So what you want to do with this information, right? What other platforms allows 20 accounts? Um, Edit Trader allows 20 accounts, but they have huge activation fee. Huge activation fee. So best if you want to like find someone who some prop firms with 20 accounts. Scaling, it's only Epics, unfortunately. So yeah. Okay, guys. I hope it was helpful today. I will see you guys tomorrow at 9:15 a.m. for giveaway. Thank you for joining me, guys. Thank you for being part of my YouTube channel. Like, thank you for endless support. And don't make stupid mistakes. Once again, be smart. No reason to chase. We always have tomorrow. Market is not going to disappear tomorrow. It always will be there. So take A plus setup that you consider as A plus setup. No reason to chase. If you're not going to make your money today, you will make this tomorrow. Uh, Thank you, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Ultimate. Come on, I was late by 20 minutes and you already made stupid mistake. Okay, guys, I will see you tomorrow.